There is a clause. The present participle touring applied in a progressive tense. I am touring this city. In this clause, present participle touring that has a trait as an adverb specifies the definition of the be verb am. The be verb describes the existence of the speaker as a subject, and the speaker intends to specify how the speaker is, while the speaker as a subject exists in a period. In the period, the speaker keeps touring the city. We can understand the speaker could state the clause into this way, into a clause stated in the present simple tense. I toured the city. However, the speaker applies the be verb and the combination of the be verb and the present participle touring with a trait as an adverb. This tells us that the speaker intends to emphasize the ongoing situation. In this clause stated in the present progressive tense, the speaker can state the two clauses with the simple tense without any emphasis. Let's read the two clauses. I started touring this city. I continued touring this city. The two clauses deliver the same intent of the speaker as this clause stated in the present progressive tense without emphasis. Without emphasis. The gerund touring is applied as an object, as a constituent to indicate an action indicated by the transitive verb tour in the two clauses. In the first clause, in the second clause, the gerund touring is applied as an indication. The speaker intends to indicate the action of the speaker that lasts during a period. The action lasting for a period is able to be signified with the suffix ing to, which is added to the original form of the verb tour. The speaker conveys the intention that the speaker wants to convey with the clause that the present participle touring is applied, or the two clauses that the transitive verbs start and continue are applied. In this context, we can understand that the adverb can be replaced by some expressions. The second example is about the adverb as well. the past participle toward applied in the perfect tense. There is a clause, I have toured this city. The present perfect tense is applied to describe the experience of the speaker as the subject. The experience is based on a period as a premise and at least one time of the actualization described by the definition of the past participle is needed as the second premise. A period at least once. So the speaker intends to state that the speaker as the subject has an experience to actualize the action described by the transitive verb tour more than once during a period in the context that we do not admit an adverb as a constituent of a clause. We can state this clause into these two clauses. Each experience during the period can be stated separately. Plus, in these clauses, we focus on the starting point and the ending point. Actually, the action of the speaker continues at the present, so the second clause is stated in the present simple tense. The speaker applies the perfect tense to reveal the experience that the subject actualized or actualizes more than once from a point in the past to the present. The two clauses about the 2 points in the past and the present describe the same subject with a transitive verb to indicate the action of the subject. So the speaker applies a clause that is stated in the perfect tense with a past participle toward, or the two clauses that the speaker states at each point in time to reveal the experience of the subject during a period. The third example is about the infinitive, which is applied as an adverb. The verb or the clause that the infinitive with the trait as an adverb is stated into a clause, and we can state the clause into the two clauses linked by the conjunctive adverb because. The infinitive to reveal the purpose of the action indicated by the transitive verb it. There is a clause. I eat food less than the usual to lose weight. This clause can be stated into the two clauses. I eat food less than the usual because I intend to lose some weight. The clause is stated into the clauses forming a sentence.